families and my fans. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Family Chef here, greetings from me to you. We all know Christmas is coming, holiday. You want to eat something healthy because it will be a lot of food. You don't want to put more junk in your stomach, right? You have oatmeal, you have flour. Let's make really healthy dessert, okay? I have my flour here. It's dessert. It's oatmeal or cocoa oats dessert. I have my flour, 1 cup, my oatmeal, 1 cup, my coconut flakes, 1 tablespoon, pinch of salt. I have my nutmeg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of butter. Apple, I have my carrot, I have my mix here. Okay, nuts, mixed nuts. This is almond, and this is my dry berries. 3 eggs, vanilla, and almond milk here. Okay, the one you don't see it on the table, I'll mention that later. Let's get started. I'm going to soak my raisins. Okay, the raisins is a little dry. You can't put it there, it will be too dry. So I'm going to soak it with a little milk. Yeah, so 1 cup of oatmeal go here in food processor. 1 cup of flour goes in. We are mixing our dry ingredients first. Pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt goes in. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg goes in. 1 tablespoon of flakes, coconut flakes. Okay. 3 tablespoons of sugar. Don't put too much sugar because this is very healthy. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I have my mixed nuts here. Okay, this is almond nuts. This is walnut. I'm going to chop it in pieces. This is toasted walnuts. And almonds, I have a raw one. This is toasted, so I will show you what I'm going to do with the raw. So I'm going to chop all these nuts together. All right, it's all chopped right. Let's bring our dry ingredients. So about 3 tablespoons is going in on top of our dry ingredients. We're gonna put this aside and start our wet ingredients. Our wet ingredients, I have 1 apple here. Okay. Here's our carrot. We are going to peel it and cut it too. We are going to chop it. Meanwhile, if you chop it too dry, maybe it will be difficult. So you can use the milk that you used it for to soak your raisins. A little bit of ink go there. I have very ripe banana. Why not? Let's throw it in. If you have banana that you just don't want to throw it out, you can put it in. Junior is cooking, so if you hear noise, forgive me. Now, our carrots and the apple, I throw 1/2 banana. I feel bad to throw it out, so I throw it in. You don't have to use banana. That goes in the bowl. Going to melt the butter and put it in. 3 tablespoons of butter goes in. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You put it in little by little. One secret ingredient, lemon zest. You can Add a little bit of juice, maybe 1 teaspoon. I'm doing this to cut the seed. Only 1 teaspoon. Then it can give you the wonderful flavor that you never find it unless the person tells you. You remember our raisins? It's right here. The raisins goes in. Okay? You can put the raisins in the milk, but I use some milk to blend the carrot, so I don't want to put the milk in. So that's the last ingredient that go in is the raisins. We are going to get our pan ready and put it in the oven 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. All right, then I'll meet you. Please, before you put it in the oven, you need to get your pan ready. So 1 teaspoon, quarter teaspoon of butter goes here. Going to brush the butter in the pan. You remember the walnuts? It's going up here. Let the oven get ready before you put it in. That's the tip. This walnut is raw, okay, because you are going to put it in the oven. So if you put toasted nut in, it's going to burn. Then make sure you use the toasted one inside and the raw outside, because you are going to put it in the oven. It's going to burn if it's not raw. We are going to bake this 40 to 45 minutes. I'll see you later to show you how healthy this bread looks. Okay guys, the bread is out from the oven. You're gonna cut it and see how good this bread is. Very healthy. Let's cut it and see. 40 minutes with the ingredients that I use. You can substitute with anything in your pantry, okay? I can feel every ingredient I put it. If today is your first day watching me, kindly give me your thumbs up and subscribe for me. When you subscribe to my channel, and I can bring more video. This is the end of my video. Remember to be kind and nice to everyone. Thank you so much for following this step by step. God bless you.